1175 Ridge Oaks Drive. This iconic home sits atop of Plum Creek. So as you come up Plum Creek Parkway in Castle Rock, you'll see it off to the right-hand side. Custom built home, absolutely lovely. And we are having our brokers open here today, so this is kind of a fun time to have you come and tour the home with us. You ready? Let's go. This amazing kitchen is equipped with more than just an amazing charcuterie tray. It has all of the appliances that the discerning cooks and entertainers alike would love. This is a freezer, sub-zero freezer, complete with drawers. We have pantry, and then here, this beautiful actual refrigerator. We have our double wolf ovens. You can tell they have that beautiful blue inside. Here's our microwave, warming drawers. And this masterpiece is quite lovely, in addition to this magnificent hood, which I should probably turn on because I think people might like to see that. There's even heat lamps in the back. We have 3 gas burners here. These here are induction. And in addition to that, we have a steamer for all of your vegetables and things like that. Then as we move forward here, we have this great sink, but we have a dishwasher. And then over here, we have dishwasher drawers. Again, all sub-zero, top of the line. Wait, nope, there's another dishwasher. Here we go, another dishwasher in here. And let's look at the extra kind of space. Obviously tons of cabinets. I've got all my crap in here today, but look at all these beautiful pullouts and just really beautiful, super deep cabinets that really are amazing for storage. So what do you think? We are upstairs in this majestic owner's suite. It is upstairs, but it does have access to the elevator, which takes you to the main floor and to the lower level. Take a look at this coffee bar that we have here. It even has its own refrigerator drawers. These are GE monogram. And all of these custom built-ins. Tons and tons of storage for you. And new carpet, fresh paint, more amazing views, and even a fireplace. Let's take a look out here. These are pallet doors and windows throughout the home. Can you imagine waking up to this view? It is quite spectacular. Quite spectacular. This outdoor patio here is exclusive to the master or the owner's retreat. So let's go in and take a look at the owner's ensuite. Remember that we have radiant heated floors throughout, so when it's those chilly nights, Colorado nights, we still have warmth throughout this entire home. And take a look at this amazing jetted tub, this 2-person steam shower complete with jets, and our 5-piece bathroom, including a bidet. We also have his and hers vanities with beautiful quartz countertops. And I love, love, love this closet. Built-ins galore, natural lights so you can tell if your socks are blue or if they're black. And tons of compartments and cubbies for socks and lingerie and such, and even for jewelry. And for watches and ties. Isn't this awesome? I love this part, but wait, there's still more. We have one more room to check out. Oh yeah, floor to ceiling mirrors. It has its own laundry room, so you don't have to go to the main floor. Totally tucked away here. And there's this beautiful laundry room. It's really neat. The attention to detail is amazing. The outside deck, as well as this laundry room, has its own drains already built into them. We're continuing on the upper level, and this is private areas for the owners. So up here we have this beautiful little office area set up, and then this was an art room, but I do think it would be a really cool looking nursery, especially if you had like a Noah's Ark theme, because it's kind of shaped like an ark. And every little bit of space in this house is utilized, including this attic storage space right up here. Well, I told you there was more. What about an indoor pool with panoramic mountain views? Take a look. We also have solar panels on the roof that provide most of the heating for this pool. This is directly underneath the amazing patio up above. So it is a quite large room, and it is very much an entertaining room. The windows and the doors, they all just open right up, and then you can come in here to the wet bar area, have yourself a nice cold beverage. This main area used to be used as a Pilates studio, as noted by the mirror on the wall. However, it would really be beautiful for whatever you wanted to put here. Just past that, we're gonna go into the theater room. We'll check out the sauna and then the really beautiful guest bathroom down here. And of course, you have to have elevator access, so there's an elevator down here too. The sauna is perfect for those cold winter nights. This is our entertainment room, media room slash fun room, and it has the recessed lighting. There's surround sound speakers built in, and those are included as well as this beautiful large screen TV. You can take a look at the staggered floors so that you can truly have that theater experience and be fully immersed in whatever it is you choose to entertain yourself with.